What's up guys, in this video I'll be showing you how to use a Hisense washing machine. Over here I have the Hisense 10 kg wash and dry washing machine, and I really don't understand how difficult it is to start using a washing machine for the first time, especially if you've not used it before, and that is basically why I'm making this video today. So I'll be showing you all of the basics you need to know to start using your Hisense washing machine, and it doesn't really matter the type or model of Hisense washing machine you're using. Trust me, this video is going to cover everything you need to know to start using your Hisense washing machine right away. Now, first things first, to start using your Hisense washing machine, you need to make sure that the clothes you're washing are collectively arranged. So if you're washing whites, you want to make sure that you keep the whites in one particular place. You don't mix them all together with other clothes. And also, if you're washing normal cotton clothes or just clothes with high texture, you want to make sure that all of these clothes are properly arranged and grouped together. Another thing you want to take note of is the fact that you don't have to put all of your clothes all together. Depending on the size of your washing machine, mine over here is actually a 10 kg, but depending on the size of your washing machine, you want to make sure that you're putting 5 to 10 clothes together depending on the kg of your washing machine. So don't go ahead and just put all the clothes together, because the washing machine will most likely not wash them properly. Now, having said all this, over here is the control center of your Hisense washing machine, and one of the things I've noticed is that the controls over here actually differ depending on the type and model of Hisense washing machine you're using. For instance, if you're using the wash and dry Hisense washing machine, your control center over here will most likely have the same labels as everything over here. But if you're using the wash and spin, then most likely it will be different. But trust me, it is not a problem, because I'm going to be guiding you on that as well. If you're using other models or type as well, you're also going to have maybe similar or different controls over here, but whichever one, you don't need to bother about that. Now, the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and pull out this detergent compartment. It is usually on the left hand side, and just like so. And over here, there are actually different compartments. There is the primary compartment over here, and there is also the secondary. And over here that we have wax, it is actually the place where you put your softener. Now, the primary compartment over here is where you put your detergent, and it's supposed to be either liquid or powder form. And then the secondary is also where you put your detergent, but this is the detergent that will most likely be mixed with the clothes before it is washed. And then there is also the wax compartment where you put your softener and so on. And one thing you also have to note is that you don't want to put too much detergent, because it's going to cause too much foam, and when there is too much foam, your washing machine will not wash the clothes properly, because there are too much foams inside of it. And after you must have added your detergent, you want to go ahead and close this compartment just like so, and then you want to go ahead and start entering your clothes. So you want to pull this round cover just like so, and then just go ahead and enter your clothes inside of the washing machine now. So I'll go ahead and enter mine. And after entering your clothes, you want to go ahead and close it just like so. Now, once everything is set, you want to go ahead and turn on your washing machine. So you just want to tilt this round control center over here to the type of clothes that you have actually entered inside of your washing machine. Now, your question would be, where are you supposed to even put it in the first place? Usually, the Hisense washing machine comes with a manual, and inside of this manual, you're going to find all of the types of clothes and how you're supposed to use this control center. For instance, in my case, under the manual, the quick 15 timer over here is supposed to be used when you're actually washing clothes that you just bought brand new, or it does not contain so much stain. In that case, you want to just tilt it to the quick 15 just like so, and basically your washing machine is going to wash and spin everything within 15 seconds. Now, there is also the cotton color and cotton over here, and setting your washing machine to either cotton color or cotton actually have different purposes. Usually, I would advise you check the manual of your washing machine to fully understand this. But basically, for the cotton over here, you're basically washing clothes that are very thick and requires more attention to be paid to. In that case, you just want to push it to the cotton over here, and you can literally see that it's going to be washing for 3 hours 29 minutes. Now, for the cotton color, it's almost the same thing as the cotton, but less attention is going to be pay to it, because clothes that are required here are clothes that are not so thick, so you just want to put it to cotton color. There is also the synthetic as well, but basically if you really want to understand all of the controls over here, then I strongly recommend that you go ahead and check the manual of your washing machine. Now once you set your washing machine, in this case I'm going to be using the Quick 15, which is basically this one over here. You can now go ahead and add or reduce. In my case, you can go ahead and increase the spin, so that is why we have the spin option over here. There is also the option actually allows you to increase the washing of the washing machine. So if you want it to take longer time to wash, you can go ahead and press the option, and you can literally see that it is increasing over here, just like so. So 15 and 20 the same way. So if I want to increase it, I can go ahead and just click on the option. And the same thing with temperature as well, so you can go ahead and increase it, the temperature that you want for the clothes. Like here is now 30. Now once you have set everything to your choice, what you want to do is to go ahead and press on the start button over here. So go ahead and press it, and automatically the door of your washing machine over here is going to be locked. You can literally see the padlock option over here. Now what that means is that you can no longer open this door except you press on the pause button over here, and the padlock is actually opened. So if this is locked, you can't open it again until it has finished washing or you pressed on the pause. Now whether or not it is going to pause at a particular time for you to now open and add more clothes depends on whether it has reached the washing section where you can actually add a clothes. But if it has not reached a washing section for you to add clothes, or just stop the washing machine, then it's not going to just open for you. Now this is actually a good thing, because sometimes there might just be so much water inside of here, and the company is trying to be careful so that you don't just mess up with the washing machine. And now you're going to notice that the washing machine is now picking the detergent I added. You can literally see it is picking the detergents now, so it is just literally adding water. Now one other thing you have to note is that after your washing machine has finished washing, you can go ahead and put it on the dry only option, so that you can now dry the clothes that are in the washing machine. Now obviously this is for washing machines that actually have the wash and dry option, so you can just go ahead and put it on dry, and then choose the number of time or hours you want it to dry, and then just let it be for that time, and then it's going to dry it for you. So you want to just change this control center over here to dry, and it's going to just dry it for you. Now finally, if you notice that your washing machine is shaking while you are using it, then you want to make sure that you have actually removed the transit bolt at the back of the washing machine. That is one. And then secondly, you want to make sure that the foot of the washing machine is actually properly leveled, so one place is not going up and the other is just coming down. Make sure you check all of that. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.